fat boy. It's a fat flat. You might leave that leg.
Yep. On it. Bring him over here. If you can. Lift. Oh my goodness. Bro, that's a doormat. That is a doormat, homie. Man, that thing is massive. Well, there you go. Just out here nailing doormats. That is definitely a keeper. That looks like all of 20 inches.